Hey there. So we are working on the Unlocked Cowl for this knit along, and in this video I am demonstrating how I am working part of one of the rounds for this project. So I am following a chart which is off screen, and you'll see that I'm holding the main color in my right hand and throwing that color, and I am picking the contrasting color, which is held in my left hand. So every second stitch, like here, gets locked, and every other stitch does not. So here's one that is not locked, then this gets locked, so there's a little bit of a process, and then the next stitch is worked as normal. Every first stitch that you work, just remember that the first stitch of a new color is worked as normal. So if you're working alternating color, main color, contrasting color, main color, contrasting color, and it's just one stitch each, there's nothing to be locked. It's every second stitch of the same color. In the other videos connected to the knit along, I will demonstrate locking the main color and locking the contrasting color as we go. So enjoy this process. I know it's a little tedious to listen and um, watch at the same time, so I will leave you in silence as this video only version of combining locking main and contrasting color floats continues.